What's up? Welcome to today's live stream. I'm William, and it's Monday, the 4th of December. Can't believe it. The year's almost over. Anyway, we won't focus too much on what time of year it is. I'm gonna hop right into this work. I have a few things that I want to get accomplished. Wait, let me make sure I've cleaned off my screen. Give me a second. I gotta make sure I clean off my screen right quick. Make sure I don't have any. All right, cool. Yeah, so I have some images that I had to edit, and I figured I may as well do that, as well as just refining a document that I have been working on. So get that done, and then maybe I'll go eat. So let's go and take a look at the document that's currently underway. Then I'll also show the images that need to be edited. They need to be named appropriately. I need to add annotations like like graphics and all that kind of stuff. And I need to optimize these images for the web, in addition to resizing them. So there are, there's a little bit of stuff to do. All right, let's see if I can find this doc. I've actually forgotten what I named it, but it looks like, oh, look at that. Look at this. It's here. It seems like it remembered what I was doing last time. All right, so these images here, right? So I already have the images, but after putting them in the document, I was like, you know what? It would make a lot of sense to annotate, what you need to do. Obviously, well, it's not obvious to me. This right here is blue, and in my mind, I'm like, this should be obvious, but maybe not. So what I'll do is annotate. So I'll like mark this and say, 1, you gotta click it. And then this would be 2. And then when you come into here, this will be a 1. And then the thing you need to click here would be a 2. And same thing here. This will just be a 1. So let's go and look at the images themselves. Actually, we'll open this alongside here. So we see here SendGrid, and if I go to the SendGrid here, I have the same images, but they're just as nodes. These are the raw images. Not raw, I'm sorry. These are the original images. And man, I think the better way to see the size of this would be to come into here. Let me see if I have convert, or no, not convert, Gosh, is it identify? Identify. Yes, perfect. So let's go into code, and this is in the one Signal developers namespace, and this is email migration tool. All right, now if we go inside of, let's see, where is that? Public? No, docs here. So let's go into this folder here. Actually, I need to cd into that folder. Docs. We'll go into MailChimp is good enough. And you see all of these images are just screenshots. It's not very clear what they are. Now, obviously, if I do this, you can see them. But I want to be able to name these so that when I'm doing my refinements, it's easy for me to do. Now, let's look at some stats. We go to identify, and then we'll select one of these screenshots. It doesn't really matter which one. Wait, do I need to do verbose? That should be. Okay. Wait a minute. Identify. Do I not know how to use this? I thought there was a way where you can see everything, but maybe that's not the case. What is worse? Oh, it is verbose. Okay. It just isn't the way that I would expect it to be. I normally think -v would be verbose and then -- verbose, but whatever. Cool. So we'll get some information about this image here. And what you'll notice is that the resolution is insane. All right, so it's this geometry right here. That's the actual resolution. This 140, 440, that's a lie. The reason why this resolution is so high is because of my monitor. I'm on a 6K monitor, which means that all of my screenshots are going to be ridiculously large. And we don't want that for the internet. Most people don't have a 6K monitor. Most people are going to be on a 1080p monitor. So we want to make sure that we optimize these images for those people. It'll still look fine for people like myself, mainly because web pages aren't going to render in 6K anyways. All right, so let's go back. I want to open this folder right here. All right, so I think what's probably better to do is to first start off with renaming these, and then after the renames, I can then go into adding the annotations that I want to add. After the annotations, I can then do the resizing and the optimization, and then after that, I can then upload them into the documents. So that's kind of a high-level plan. Okay, so this looks to be step one. Wait, why is delete selected? Whatever. Oh, okay, I see why. Okay. And yeah, I'm going to name these steps because I think that's a little bit easier for me to do, just to name these steps. Okay. So I think this right here is step one. We'll do that so I don't have to put the slash to escape white space, which is weird. And I think this is going to be step two. And this is still the same step. It's step 2A, but I'm going to call it step 3. And then this last one is just going to be step 4. Now, I thought I had a tool that, oh yes, yeah, here we are. So I can either use Snagit or I could use Pixelmator or Photomator. Pixelmator, yeah, Pixelmator. Let's see, let's try to open this in Pixelmator and see how that works. Okay. So I thought that there were shapes. Oh, there are. Okay. So I want to add an arrow. The first thing is going to be here. This is going to be step 1, and then this will be step 2. Now, I don't know if I want to add an arrow right now. I think maybe it would be better to do a square for now. Uh-oh. Wait, is this actually a square? It's actually a square. Okay, I don't actually want a square. I wanted a rectangle, but all right, now I'm confused. Wait, what? That does say rectangular outline. Oh, constraint. Okay, all right, I'm done. This is me. User error. And why am I getting 2 strokes? I don't want to be dual stroking it out here. Yeah, what the hell? Why is this giving me two, it's double stroking it. I don't like this double stroke action. All right, never mind. I see what I'm doing here. All right, cool. So is this P? Is this not V? Or is it, yo, it is V, okay. Oh, maybe I didn't press V. I may have pressed B because I don't know how to type for shit. All right, cool. So now we're gonna make this slightly bigger. Put this here, and I want to increase the border width or whatever the hell this is. And I'll save this as a style eventually, and I won't have to do it again. Where did my style go? There we are. 7 pixels. Yeah, okay, 7's fine. This is going to sound dumb, but I like to have prime numbers. So it's either going to be 3, 5, 7, or 11, 13, something like that. Oh, no. Oh, why is it adding all of these rectangles? All right, cool. So yeah, now we have a rectangle, and I'm going to put an arrow here. Let's do a little bit of editing on this arrow. Why can't I edit this part? Oh, I guess I can, maybe. But no, I can't. That's not what I want to edit. Shit. I want to shorten this length here, but it doesn't look like I can. So I'll just move on in life. All right, we'll move this around. Oops, wrong thing. Oops, wrong. You know what? Let's lock this in place. Okay. That way I never have to worry about my image being weird. All right, so I'm also going to just flip this arrow because there's not enough room over here. I can't make this little piece shorter. That's what I wanted, but yeah, whatever. Let's rotate this by 180 degrees. All right, cool. So this is my weird arrow. I guess I could have made my own. This is Pixelmator Pro. Yeah, I forgot. I can make my own shapes, but whatever. We're gonna go with this, and we're gonna say we're gonna put some text here. Oh shit, that's really small or really big. This is gonna be 2. What the hell? 2, and we need to make this much smaller than it is. Where is here? So we'll make this size 14 font. Do that right here. For some reason, this Oh man, what the hell? Let's zoom in. Something about this looks weird. You know, I can't zoom in. Why can't I zoom with my mouse pad? It's connected, isn't it? What the hell? Man, you know, I hate these things sometimes. There used to be a point in my life when Mac stuff would just work, and now it's not that anymore. There we are, it finally connected. Okay. All right, now there we go. Perfect. Now I can use my thumbs, my fingers to move around. All right. Maybe I should just use my other tool because it has all of these shapes in here by default. Yeah, let's do that. Let's snag it. As you can see, I already have my style set up. It's so much easier. I'm gonna just use this. Screw this. Quit anyways. What is this? Snag it helper, require permission. Nope. Scrolling capture. Yeah, I don't need that anymore right now. Yes. I think it's safe to delete these right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete them. Oh, before I do that, I forgot. I said I was gonna rename these first. I'm over here doing it out of order. Let me rename these first. I haven't finished. Let's finish that. So we have that, this is done. All right, and okay, this is done, that's good. And it looks like I've already done the optimization, but I'm gonna delete these because we're gonna have to redo these. All right, so it's gonna be step with a dash. And it looks like what I did here was I based this off of the actual step. So maybe I should do that with meld this, whatever this is. Let's do that. So we have navigate to the, okay, so that was one, locate the segment you'd like to export. Did I do that for step 2? Yes. Click the context menu. Oh, no, I didn't. This is step 2. This is step 3. All right, so let's just make this step 3 1 for now. And then what is this? All right, what is that step? Is that 4? Choose 4. Choose to export as CSV option. Yes, that's step 4. And I'm gonna call this step 4.1 for now. And this is gonna be step 3. And I think that might be step 6. Extract to see it. Nope, set. This is 5. Okay. So this is gonna be a 5, and this is gonna be 4. Cool, now we're done. All right, so now the name matches the step that it belongs to, which I think is a much better organization. Now we gotta do this one more time and I'm done with renaming. So first thing is navigate to the melt. Okay, so let's see. This right here, so this would be step 1. And step 2 is locate the list you'd like to export. Edit EMT. Edit EMT mailing list. I'm not sure if I get this. Oh, this is it. Okay, this is step, what is that? Step 2? Yeah, step 2. Oh, wait. Click the from email address. No, this is step 3. Yeah, this is step 3. All right, and then what do we have? Under details, click the export recipients button. Okay, right here. Okay, So this will be step 4, maybe? I've already forgotten. Oops. Step 4. Let's confirm it's step 4. Yeah, it is. And then, all right. Wait a minute. Step 3, under details, click the export recipients button. That's this one. This is step 3. We'll call it 3-1 for now. Now, what is this? No, that is step 3. What the hell? Oh, I'm tripping. Step 4. My bad. All right, we'll call this step 4-1. Come on now. Step 41. And what is this? Download. What is this going to be? 5? Wants to export. Yeah, this is step 5. Yep, step 5. And what is this? Under the details. That is okay. This is step 4. And what is this again? This is step 4. Wait, I'm confused. Step 4. Oh, I see. So this is truly step 4. This would be step 4A. Something like that. And we'll do 4.1, 2, 1. All right, now I think my names should all be good. Let's go and do some committing. Is it show or view? I think it's view. Yeah, it is. Cool. All right. I want to make sure that I update. Yeah, things are going to be broken. That's the short of this, I think. Oh, wait. How is this still working? Wait, what the hell? Wait, how is this still working? Pasted images. Oh, what the hell? I don't understand. How is this working still? Oh, it's not. Okay, it's not. It's because my link pointed to a commit. Okay, all right, we're good. I'm like, this shouldn't be working. How is this shit working still? All right, so inside of MailChimp, let's go into MailChimp, which I'm already there. We have step 1, step 3, step 4, step 5. That's going to be really easy, I think. So we'll just say step 1. No, wow, this is step 2. Why did I call that step 2? I think that's step 1, or it should be step 1. If we preview this, we should see our image there. Yeah, we do. Perfect. And then we have step 3. So yeah, we have step 3 here. And this becomes easy now. I just copy and paste. Say select, or not select, navigate to wherever we're going. Navigate somewhere. I'll figure out where we're navigating to in a minute. This is going to be 3. What else do we have? 4 and 5. Okay, so this is going to be 4. And this will be 5. Okay, so we have 4, 3. Yeah, cool. Yeah, this all works now. Now I could edit this in the on my machine, but I need to be able. I know I'm going to forget things, and I may as well just do it all in one place. We're looking at MailChimp, so let's confirm. All right, so I think I've already named this. This is navigate to segments. Navigate to segments. All right, number 3 is select audience to migrate. This will be created and export, I think is what I should call this. Created and export. All right, and then our final one is, I guess, downloading export or exporting CSV. Or I'll say download, export it. I want to make this a little bit clearer to myself. So we're going to download the exported CSV. This we're going to create an export. All right, cool. I think this is good. Let's go ahead and commit this change. And we'll say add alt text. All right, this one's almost there. What I'm going to do next, after I get all of these, updated, is go in and do the things that I was about to do, and then I kind of stopped when I realized that I hadn't finished what I set out to start. All right, let's go back to our docs. Go to Mailgun this time, and this should be broken, but it's not. How is this not broken? Whoa, I don't wait. How is this not broken? Oh my gosh. Let's refresh maybe. I'm definitely on main. All right, I am confused right now. I don't know how or why this works. It shouldn't be working right now. Unless, okay. Unless that. I thought I added these all last time. Oh, they're untracked. Okay. Oh man. Let's see. Git add, and then we'll just add everything in Mailgun, maybe. It's not letting me add, but we'll get through it. There we are. Okay, now it should be broken. All right, there we go. It's weird when it's like, why is this working? It should be broken. It's because I guess I actually don't know why. I thought all those files were already tracked. Somehow they ended up in my repo. Whatever, it's fine. Let's get these renamed. This is for Mailgun. We have 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5. Okay, and we have 1, 3, 4, and then 4A, and then 5. All right, we're good. This should be really easy now. We'll go ahead and edit this and paste. This is gonna be step 1. This will be, oops, step 3. And this should be step 4. And then we have a 4.1. All right, and then 4.1. And finally, we have a step 5, and then I'm gonna have to create the alt text for all of these. All right, step 5, and let's confirm that this is working. Yep, cool. All right, and let's do some alt text. I guess I do need a comma here. I guess we'll go ahead and fix grammar as well. So what's 1? What are we doing here? This is navigating to somewhere. Where are we navigating to? Oh, navigating to mailing list. Okay. So yeah, we'll put that there. And step 3, what is step 3? Wait a minute. Wait, wait. I thought I've already seen that before, or have I? Oh no, okay, never mind. All right, I'm done. Ignore me. Okay, so what are we doing here? Step 3 is click on the from email address on the list you want to export, and then you'll be taken. Oh, it wants me to use Yule too. Okay, I'm like, yeah, we should contract that. You'll be taken to the edit mailing list page. Okay, so this is navigating to selecting a mailing list. I don't know. All right, step 4 is exporting the recipients, I guess. This right here is just waiting on the export. And finally, we have downloading the export. All right, cool. I think that should be good. Yeah, good enough for me. Whoa. Wait, what? What? All right, yeah, man, things are weird right now. I don't know what's going on. It's working now, but I'm experiencing some strange behavior. But we only have one more, so I don't care about the strange behavior because we only got one more. And I've already renamed it, so that makes my life a little bit easier. Not that much easier though. So we'll put in step 1, step 3. And this is why I wanted to name the image after the step, because now I don't even have to think. I can just see here below the step 3 and just put step 3, and assuming that I am consistent, this will all just work. I'm about to eat my words now, aren't I? Nope, I'm not. Yeah, look at me, I'm right. All right, cool. That's done. Now let's come up with some alt text. This is navigating to contacts page. All right, step 3 is, what are we doing here? This is selecting contact list to export. I'll do this right here, contact list to export, because that's it's micro copy, and I like to capitalize that. All right, download to export to CSV. All right, cool. Go ahead and do that. Commit. All right, now we have the renames. We're good there. And I even went a step ahead. I did the alt text. So now I don't have to worry about alt text anymore. But I do need to edit each and every one of these images now. and I would prefer to edit them in place so I don't have to do any more committing, or not committing, so I don't have to restage files. So let's see if I can do that. I don't really know if I can. Come into here and let's go to migration tool, docs, and we'll do this first. We'll just select these. Oops. Okay, what is this right here? I thought I deleted this. All of these, why are these here? Why is the fill on? It shouldn't be, there should be no fill here. Oh, it's a style. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's remove this. I don't know why or when I did that to make that a style, but we'll fix it now. See if we got, nope, it's still not working. What the hell? Why is that not taking the style that I just created? I'm so confused right now. I guess I'm gonna have to come in here and just do it manually, which defeats the purpose of me even coming to use this tool in the first place. Okay, all right, fine, it works now. I don't know why it works here, but it didn't work in the other one, but I guess I'm okay now. So we're gonna select audience, and I don't trust these quick styles over here. I wish I can hide them now because it's useless to me if I can't actually change the style and save it. I wonder if I can change it after the fact. Let's see. Probably not. Nah, you can't. All right, and that, okay. Remember, I had to use a prom number. We're going to use 17 for my prom number. I want the tail to be a little bit shorter. All right. Zoom out. I want to make sure it's big enough to be seen. Yeah, that looks decent enough. All right, let's move on to the next one. We have step 3, and we want to click here. Except I kind of want all of these arrows to be the same, so I'm gonna come here and make this arrow just slightly insignificantly larger. It's gonna be 19 pixels. Or yeah, it's gonna be 19. I'm also gonna make it slightly longer as well. Now I should be able to copy that and just plop it in here. Wait, that doesn't look the same. Is this literally the same arrow? All right, let's copy that again. And is this really the same? Paste. I guess it is. Look at that. Wow. All right, fine. So we're going to click this thing right here. All right, I think I'm done with that now. And they need to click this thing here. Paste that. Now I want this to be rotated. And I'm starting to realize that I have no idea how to rotate in this tool. I don't want to rotate manually with my mouse. I prefer to rotate with like numbers, because I know the exact degree amount that I needed to rotate. Oh shit. All right, this is gonna suck. Yeah, this is why I didn't want to do it, because it's impossible for me. I just can't do it. It's impossible for me to make this the same size while doing this, because you see here, like it changes. Man, I hate this. But whatever. It's gonna be a different size error. There's not much I can do about it. Oops. Right. And final one is step 5, which, remember, export EMT. All right. Yeah. So we'll just say export .csv here. I think, is this it? Or I've actually forgotten. Yeah, see, this is confusing, and it's not me, it's them, because you create an export and it says export to CSV, but then the button to download the thing is export to CSV. Yeah, it's kind of a misnomer. All right, so I guess I have to do the same thing. Let's try that. It's a different size, but it's not what I don't really have much of a choice. All right, so let's save all of these. Scale down image before saving. No, I want these all to be the same scale. Yes, replace. Wait, what are these PNGs? Yeah, they are. Okay. I don't like that this tool keeps it like adds a new thing. This is one of the things that I've never liked about this tool, is that it's confusing as hell, because it creates these different versions of things, and it's not clear, like, how are they? Oh shit, what did I just do? It's not clear how they're different. So you add it to your library, but then there's this recents. So let's make sure that all of these indeed got saved. Why can't I see this? It didn't all get, man, fuck. And they all didn't get saved. All right, now we are, there we go. Yeah, they're all good now. Yeah, what's up, Marshall B. Coast? How you doing? Do you know how one would get into learn more about Devlog, like Devlog, developer relations? Yeah, give me a second. Is it Devlog? Gosh, collective. Yeah. Oh, it's literally here. It's like literally here. Yeah, it's Devlog collective, but not that one. Devlog advocacy, whatever book. So yeah, you can go here and learn more about it. I want to be clear that while I am in Devlog, I don't want you to think that I know a lot about it. I don't. I didn't I kind of fell into this role. Like it wasn't me seeking it out. It wasn't me knowing anything about it. In fact, I only had known one other person who was a developer advocate in my life. No, two. Except I don't know if she was. Well, maybe she is. I'll say their name. It's fine. One was Brian Douglas. He was the head of DevRel at GitHub. And actually no, there was another guy. What's his name? Shit. If you happen to watch, I'm sorry. I know handles. we know each other by handles. But anyway, I think he may have been in developer relations, maybe. But I never asked him much about what they did and like about the role. I do remember that Brian, when I met him, he was hosting some type of, like he was doing a lot of, what do you call those things? Like hackathons and speaking types of things. And my friend from college, Amara, she is, I think she's developer relations. I don't really know. Again, I fell into this. It wasn't even an interest. It wasn't even on my radar, to be honest. And yeah, my way into developer relations was being an engineer. Like literally, I've been a software engineer for a decade, and I've been programming for over half my life. I'm 34 now. I started programming when I was 12. So like, yeah, this wasn't a thing that I was like, oh yeah, I want to become a whatever developer advocate. In fact, when I was recruited for the company that I'm at now, initially it was for engineering role, and I kind of shot that down because I was doing engineering stuff for my own company at that time, and they came back with this role as a, just to float it, and I said yes because it's something that I really don't know much about, and they sold me on learning something new. Which if you want to sell me on anything, sell me on learning something new and like making myself that much more of a weapon. So like other people can't compete with me. But yeah, hopefully you can go through this. I will be honest, I haven't actually read through any of this. I'm just sharing something because you asked for a resource. And let's see. Do you think I need more time as a developer first to prosper in DevRel? No, I don't think so. It's been my experience that most of the people in DevRel are not really like engineers. They're not really engineers. They're able to kind of like talk about things and sometimes make it approachable. They can evangelize. A lot of them do community type stuff. So evangelism, community, speaking at conferences, and writing blog posts like content. So I think that's what most developer advocates, I think that's what most developer advocates do. And this is just based off of, folks who I've talked to, and yeah, hopefully that gives you an answer. I don't want to lead you into believing that I know much about this space. What I focus on is more on the engineering side of things. So I'm more concerned with developer experience, with making sure documentation is accurate. That's also another thing that I think some DevRel people do. Like I do enjoy doing content, videos, streaming, that kind of thing. And I also do technical support here and there, working with our partners to basically, I just assist. That's kind of what my role is, I think, at least within One Signal. And I'm starting to learn that developer relations means very different things to different companies. So at One Signal, I've been fortunate to kind of like, I'm not good at a lot of the other crap that, well, it's not that I'm not good at it, I just don't want to do it. So like being on Twitter and just socializing with people, yeah. So I'm glad that I've been able to kind of focus in on the things that I'm really good at. Just for a little background, the previous stint that I was at, like at an actual company, I was working on developer tools, stuff like GitHub, that kind of, and then after that, I did my own thing for a while, and yeah. Anyways, let me go ahead and close this. There's another one too, I think. Is it DevRel Collective? DevRel. Fortunately, I'm in my, whatever you call this thing, this browser. So it's searching my bookmarks. Devro. Oh wait, Devro. There was another one here. Where did it go? There should have been the Devro Collective or something like that. Devro. Let's see, Collective. Devro Collective. All right, I lied. It's not searching my bookmarks. Oh man, this sucks. Oh, here we are. Code and color bookmarks. Why is this searching code and color bookmarks? Whatever, we'll just do it from here. Oh, wow. Okay. So it looks like my bookmarks weren't brought over into this browser. God damn it. Gosh, it's always something. I give up. I'm not going to find it. I give up. It's always something. All right. We have images uploaded. So I'm going to use desktop now because I wanted to show off this thing. See here, you get to see image diffs. I know some people, they like to hate on GitHub Desktop, but look at this. Look at it and respect it. Man, look at that. That's sexy. All right, let's go ahead and do this. So we'll say annotate. I did say I was going to do steps, but that's too much effort. I don't feel like doing it. Annotate images. We'll push that up. What do you mean? Why does it keep telling me this? There are commits on the remote. Okay, so fucking fetch the things. Don't. All right, now, wait, which one was I looking at? I don't even know what I was looking at. Was it Melgun? That's what I was looking at. Or was it Melgun? It was MailChimp. Yes, look, all right, yeah, there we are. Now we have our images. All right, we only have 2 more to do, and then I can do the optimization, and then we can put them over here. So I got to delete all these images and re-upload them. Fortunately, I had the foresight to think about it. I was like, you know what? I know I'm going to change this, so I'm not going to bother doing the rest. Excuse me. All right, so let's go on to another set of images. We'll delete all of this. Or can I just hide that? Yeah, the recents, that's just confusing. Actually, I'm going to delete it. Also. Okay, look at that. Now let's import some other images. Or can I put these in a group? Actually, that would be cool if I could. No, I can't. This sucks. But I'll tag it as email migration tool. And this is MailChimp, maybe? All right, cool. So now they should all have the same tag, hopefully. So if we do that, yeah. And tag. Okay, cool. Now let's import the other set of things. Yeah, that was MailChimp. So now we're going to do Melgun. All right, so the first thing, they're gonna have to do this thing. So we'll get a rectangle. Remember, I can't reuse styles, even though that would make a lot of sense. You know what, maybe I can. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna come to here and should be able to select this and right click it. Yeah, there we are. Then we'll paste it here. All right, and then we want them to click this right here. Do the same thing and just come back to here, copy and paste. For some reason, my styles weren't working and I don't trust it anymore, so we're gonna do it this way. So we want to go to mailing list. Wait, is this MailChimp or Mailgun? What? Oh, I'm confused now. What was I just working on? I hate that these are both named so similar. All right, it's Mailgun. So this needs to go into Mailgun, which is up one level. And Mailgun, here we are. I want that to be step 1 as it is. Yep, replace. I want to just confirm that I did the right thing. Yes, I did. Perfect. Look at that. You know what? I'm going to remove this out of the library. I actually don't need to have it here anymore. Sure you want to delete these files? No. I'm not sure. Yeah. Let's see if it actually deleted the files though. I hope it didn't. This is what I mean. It's confusing. It's not clear what the hell it's doing. So no, I didn't delete the files. We're good. MailChimp is still there. All right, here they need to click this thing right here. So we'll just paste that. Okay, good. I can go to step 4 and they need to click this right here. All right, so I do want to draw attention to the thing that they're going to be doing. So I'm going to just copy this. Put it here. Final thing is this arrow. Oops, okay. All right, these are all good to go. Let's delete all of these. Oh, before I do that, let me confirm that these are indeed edited. Yes. Yep, cool. We're good. They're all edited, so we can close them all. And I'm also going to delete them here. And I think the final one is SendGrid now. Oh, good. There are only 3. This should go by really quickly. Okay, so we're going to paste. I don't like that it readjusted my canvas. I didn't ask it to do that. So we're gonna have them go to the marketing section like such. And I need to click on contacts. All right, step 3 will be to click this thing here. All right, I'll go ahead and save that. And last one, and then I can resize this, and I'm gonna do this programmatically actually from the command line. It's a lot easier for me. All right, cool. Look at that. Now we're all done. Let's close all of these. Just discard the changes. I don't give a shit. All right, we're good. Let's do some committing. All right, now what I can do is I kind of want these to be named differently, but that's going to be a little harder to do without coming up with a weird command line. And that'll take me at least 5 minutes, and it'll be a lot simpler if I just manually do this, because the command is going to be mostly the same. So what is that command? Well, I forgot because I don't remember anything, but I have it in my history. And when I say I don't remember, it's mainly because I had certain settings and I wanted it to be consistent, and I don't want to have to think about what it is. Image, magic. Oh, this is wrong. Did I not do it on this computer? I wonder if I did this on my other computer. Yeah, because this says Slack. Okay, this is obviously wrong. Let's just go back through all of my history and see. I remember doing, oh, here we are. Yeah, this is why I'm like, I don't remember the options that I had. This right here, I think, oh no, maybe that's not it either. All right, it could be the resize 50%. I'm gonna assume that's the one, maybe. So there are a few ways that I can do this, right? There's the smart way, which is to use file globbing. So let's say image, magic. So I can give it a glob pattern and say, you know, just search through and find anything that's a .png, like that. The issue with that is that I would then I'll have to use xargs, and then I'll probably have to use like, I wouldn't have to use set or awk, but I have to use some type of cut so I can get the thing out that I need, so I can rename it, and then it's too much effort, which is why I'm going to do this the stupid way, which is the most manual way possible. And let's see what that looks like. So we're going to mel something first, chimp. All right, and we'll do magic. And we're gonna say step 1 PNG, and we're gonna use the resize command 50%. Now here's what I'm saying. I need this to be named a certain way, and in order to get the name a certain way, it would be too much effort. It would take me 5 minutes to write the script, whereas it would only take me a couple minutes to do this, so I'm not gonna waste my time. So we're gonna call this .1 or -1. And then we're gonna say -50 for 50%, or 1/2. We'll say PNG. So this is my base command, right? Now check this out. Open this up in Visual Studio Code. Come in here and do that. Just that. So much easier. And now, instead of writing the script to do this manually, I can just do this. Except it's not what are my files? We have 1, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna have 1, 3. Oops, what did I do? 4, and then 5. Five, 4, and then 3. All right, so I want all of these to be the things, and I can run these all after one another if I want, and I do. So we're gonna do that, and we'll do that, and that should work. Hopefully, we'll see. Let's get that in. Magic not found. What the hell? What? Wait, what? Okay, it is. All right, fine then. So we'll select all of the things that say magic, and we'll say image magic. I thought I had an alias for this. Screw this. Nah, we're adding an alias. I'm not about to type that whole. That's too much effort. So let's open up my ZSHRC file. Okay, and then let's just throw an alias right here. Alias equals, oh, this is gonna be magic, and this is gonna be image magic. Image magic, yeah, that looks right enough. All right, cool. Now let's try to run my command again, and it should just work. Oh my gosh, really? Image magic? Image magic. What the fuck? Wait, what? This is strange. Why? Oh my gosh, what in the hell? Oh, oh, okay. I wonder if it's CK. It's not. Okay. Obviously, I don't know what the hell I'm doing anymore. Yeah, okay. I can't spell. Fine. I'll accept it. When the command is misspelled. There we are. Fine. Oh my gosh. Yeah, wait, did that actually do what I wanted it to do? Let's see, we'll look at both. It is definitely half the size in kilobytes. This is 530 by 2080. This is 265 by 1420. I wonder if that's still too big. This could still be too big. Let's see what this looks like full size. Except this isn't full size. I don't know how to make this show it in its original view. It says it's actual size. This is a lie. I know that this isn't actual size because I'm on a 6K screen. This is not actual size. This should be about a quarter of the size. Yeah, I want this to be smaller. I'm going to try with 75%. You know what? 80 kilobytes. Is 80 kilobytes too large? Look at the actually look at the data for this. So this is going to be identify verbose. Step 150. Geometry 265 by 4K. This is still a little bit bigger than I would like it to be. I'm gonna do a quick test. I want to see what this looks like. Oh, I'm not gonna type this again. Let's just take this. We're gonna do 75% and see how that looks. What? Actually, just 70%. How about that? 70% is good enough. And then I'll call this 70. Okay, I see what's happening here. Okay, I see what's happening. We need to scale this by 4, a factor of 4. I think I understand what's happening now. So then, this isn't going to be 70%. This is going to be 25%. And this is going to be 25 or a fourth. Okay, it's blurry. So I may need to add sharpening to it. Yeah, we're gonna add sharpening to it. Let's figure out how to add sharpening. Why is it taking me here? I just need to know what the name of the flag is, or is it going to tell me? Okay, no, obviously not. Oh man, thank you for that useful help. Do I have this in, do I have it here? Magic. Okay, looking for sharpen. There is an image magic. How come that doesn't work? That's the one that I'm used to using. But I don't know. Maybe it only works over there on my other computer. But I thought image magic existed. Oh man, I don't believe this. Which image magic? Nothing. Wow. Huh. The hell? I don't understand what's going on. Why isn't this working the way it should? Well, upgrade. I don't know. I don't know why it's not working the way it's. No. Oh, my bad, Marsby. Let me. Sorry. Been feeling very uncertain about my spot in software, man. Looking at different paths. What do you do in software again, or in the engineering front? And how long have you been doing it? And while you, I guess, answer that, I'm gonna try to change this. Is yellow a good color for this, or should I make it white? I think white is maybe better color. Or maybe that'll be hard to see. All right, I think that looks a little bit better. Sorry, I'm over here like editing the what stuff looks like while I'm going, so bear with me. There we are. I think that looks good. Decent enough. You think white is better? All right, let me go ahead and change it. Thanks for the feedback. It definitely helps when folks are responsive. Also, I think it's kind of cool, right? Like, imagine when you were a kid and you see something on TV and you had thoughts of how they can make it better, and then you see it. So yeah, there we are. Now, I wish that I can make your name a different color. Let me see if I can do that. Maybe I can do that. Let's see. More options, cut out text. Nope. Blend mode. I guess we'll do a normal blend. Color, angle. Nah. Looks like I can't, unfortunately. Or wait, maybe I can. Look at this. Maybe I can do that. Yes, I can do it. So I'm going to use my yellow color. My branding yellow. So your name's now going to be yellow. Or maybe it could be blue. I don't know. It'll be yellow for now. Save. Look at that. All right, cool. I think we're good now. So, yeah, cool. Ah, shit. What did I just do? What the hell did I just do? Did I just close my browser and it didn't even ask me if I wanted it to be closed? Oh my gosh. Sharpen. Oh yeah, this is what we want here. Sharpen. All right, what are they using? What is, yeah, whatever. Yeah, let's look for the word sharpen. Okay, dash sharpen. Okay. Oh, he's saying that they're getting thickened. See, that's what I don't want. I want them to be sharpened. If I can't figure out how to do it here. Oh wait, never mind. Maybe this is it. Let's see, sharpening images. Okay, so we're gonna do resize, and then sharpen, and you give it a kernel. I don't know if I want 0x3 though. I'll do a 0 by, I don't know if I can give it floats. That's another thing. And we'll call this sharp. Oh, that works. So glad that worked. Let's look at all three side by side. 25. I don't know. That's not a good result. All right, so what I'm gonna do is increase the size of this, which should make it darker. Actually, I'm gonna go to 1. We're gonna go 1. All right, that looks slightly better. Although it's still a little bit too resolution. It's too low res. So I think what I'm gonna do is just stick with the 50, and we'll just have to eat the additional size. So 50 it is. Cancel. Let's definitely cancel that. Yeah, 50 it is. Okay, so now that that is a thing and done, what I can now do is move on to Mel Gun and do the same things. All right, so we'll go into Mel Gun. What the hell am I doing? What? All right, there we are. Cool. So now we're in Mel Gun. Let's see what we have. We have 1, 3, 4, 4, 1, 5. So what I'm gonna go here is we have 1. We have 3. We have 4. 1, 3. Yeah, 4. And then we have for 1. And I think we have 5. Yeah, we do have 5. We have 5. So let's just copy this here. And we're going to call this 5. Mm, 50. Yeah, that looks good enough. We're in Mailgun now, so we should be able to just plop that in there. Yeah, we have our additional images. Yeah, looks decent enough. And let's go into SendGrid. 135. Okay. So we can delete a lot of these. So we have 1, 3. I deleted 1 too many. 5. Okay. Cool. Yeah, we're good there. Now, here's the thing. I don't want to include any of these resized here in my project. But what I do want to do, and I really should have thought about this before I just did this. I'm going to add this into my docs as a script. So then we'll just say, actually, there's no need to do that. Actually, yeah, there's no need. So what I'm gonna do is just do a little bit of that action and say ignore. Just those. All right, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put that into wherever that is. And now we can move forward, right? So now this is real close, just don't need it anymore. All right, here is our doc. Okay. This is MailChimp. I'll move my folder thing over here for now. All right, so let's look at MailChimp here. So the first one we have step 1. That makes my life easy. And I also want to make sure that these match kind of a little bit. What am I looking at? MailChimp 1 is audience page access. Go to the why? Oh my gosh, you know what I think I did? I think that I changed things and did not do it in my repo and I didn't commit it. So now there's differences. It's like the worst. The worst thing that can ever happen is differences. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Okay. I can handle this. I can handle this. Let's do this. We're going to do that. Mailgun assumption steps. Okay. First thing is step 1 here. So gosh, I'm gonna have to deal with this. Man. So this tool that, you know what? I think I have a better idea. Instead of letting this tool do any work for me, I will do it myself. Because if I do that, it will try to renumber these and it'll just make my life hard. Oh shit, but the problem is that I have to import these images because, man, This is, man, this is gonna suck. It's gonna take longer than I thought. Here's what I mean. If I do that, you see how it renumbers everything? I have to deal with that. I hate dealing with stuff. Choose file, choose file. Wait, is this MailChimp? Yes, MailChimp. Okay, all right, caption. Oh my gosh. See, the thing is that I wanted to just copy and paste, but I can't do that because I don't know if this repo will always be around or if things will change, and that could easily create broken links. So I want to make sure all of the media is in README instead. So I'm gonna have to do this song and dance, which sucks, but it's whatever. Next we have step 3, so let's go on to step 3. But before we do that, we have to first make this step 2 again, and then we have to do that. Now we can do step 3 here. All right, step 3 is whatever this is. Okay, and then this needs to be renamed to 4. And we have a step 4. So let's put that in there. All right, and this needs to be renamed 5, and then this should be 6. But man, I probably shouldn't have did that because I'm gonna have to redo it. This is what I mean. Oh my gosh. I hate tools like this because it's not even a tool. This is a waste of time. I would rather just type the stuff. I know exactly what it is that I need it to be, but instead I'm having to like play with this BS user interface. It's a waste of my time. Okay, let's save this before I make a mistake and have to do something. All right, now we can move on to, wait, MailChimp? Wait, where's Mailgun? Why aren't these in order? Let's delete. No, I'm not gonna delete this. I'm gonna replace it because if I delete it, then I'm gonna have to do this renumbering of business again. I don't want to do that. So let's just replace. This is SendGrid step 1. All right, cool. Cancel this. Let's go to SendGrid and here. I want to see the raw. We'll take that as our caption. Okay, step 350. Caption is going to be whatever this is. And come on now. There we are. All right. Why is there this weird border that's added? No, but I don't think I care anymore. I'm just going to move on. Let's just go move on. I think I also need to update this so that it matches. Except that's hard to do now. Screw it. I'm not even going to worry about it. I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to delete the docs from this repo. That way I don't have to worry about things going out of sync. It's too much to deal with for me. Now let's go to Mailgun, which hasn't been done yet. All right, perfect. All right, so come over to here. We'll go to Mailgun. have step 1. Go to raw, and we're just gonna copy all of this. It would be so awesome if I could just do all this in GitHub. Like that's my dream. Like I don't want to ever deal with tools like this. Oh, whoa. Okay, all right. Well, first, before I even finish, I just realized that this screenshot is stupid. I need to crop this. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll open this in whatever this thing is. Or not. I'll open it in another tool then. How about, where is Pixelmator? Oh, yeah. Let's do Pixelmator. Oh, I have made a mistake. All right, so I need to, all right, I know how to fix this. Yeah, delete all of this. I don't want any of it. Why's this even here though? Let's just close that. Delete. So what I should have done is I need to do it here. So we'll open this up. This one. Okay, so now we have this. We'll save this as step 1. I don't understand why it's trying to put it somewhere else. I want it to be inside of docs. Mailgun? Yeah, Mailgun. Step 1. There we are. And now what I need to do is, wait, whoa. Why is this? Okay, all right. Fuck. I forgot that you had to export. So we'll export this. And before I do that, let's also make sure that I get rid of some of this other crap that I don't want to see. I don't want a fractional pixel here. We're going to make this a full pixel. And we're going to make this also a full pixel. All right, cool. Now we're good. Now we can export this as a PNG. We'll keep everything as is. Man, come on. Why does it keep doing this? Put in a Mailgun. Step 1, replace. Now I can close this. I don't care about this document anymore. There we go. So now I need to resize this image again. So we're going to go into Mailgun. Yeah, we're going to do this. So I think it's magic. Like that. And then this is going to be step 1. Resize 50%. That's step 1. -50.png. Oh, that file doesn't exist. Okay. There we go. That's better. So I'm going to replace this. No. And we can do the caption now. I think that looks a lot better than what it was. All right, good. Then I get to renumber this. So this is going to be step 2. Where's my finder? Here we Okay, so we have a step 3 that we need to do. So that's step 2. This is step 3. Initiate export. I'm going to rename this at some point to something that makes sense. It doesn't make sense to me right now. Step 3. All right, we're going to have a step 4. I need to add a caption for 3. And a caption for 4. All right, 5. Man, this is 5. Now here is just going to be some text for now. And we'll add the other image. It's just going to be 4:1. All right, and then we have 5 and then 6. Do we have a... Okay, we do have a 5. Okay, so let's put that here. Okay, I finally have all the images, so I will also need to go back and refine these, just the words, make sure that it's not 100% trash. Okay, and I also want to add how to get the API keys, and this is in preparation for some other docs that I'm going to need to write. Some of this right here is irrelevant. Yes, this was for me, so I'm gonna remove these because they're irrelevant now. I'm putting dashboard right there because in each case, I'm going to have 2. All right, there's the dashboard, and then I can find it. So after that, it's going to be using the API or something like that, or email migration tool. Yeah, we'll call it email migration tool, like such. Right, and that'll give me 2 links. So there's dashboard and then email migration tool for every case. All right, let's see how this is looking. We can close that. Yeah, so this is what I'm saying here. So we can have the dashboard, or I guess I could just have email migration tool. Yeah, we'll do that. So we'll have MailChimp, SendGrid, Mailgun, and then maybe instead of having this listed 3 times in dashboard, yeah, this is too much, I think. Yeah, we'll fix that. This is not going to be a top level. What? What the fuck? Alright. Yeah, this is now that email migration tool. MailChimp, SendGrid, Mailgun. Yep, there we are. Cool. So in here, this will be like I will have to have a section for each one to go and get the API keys and all that. But this is not important right now, not to me right now. Anyway, it's like I'm hungry, so I am going to go and eat because that's more important to me at this point in time. So if you've enjoyed any part of this co-working session and you want to see more of it, I would recommend you give a thumbs up, drop a comment, like, whatever, follow, all that stuff. Obviously, the more people like it, the more of it I'll do. Just for a little FYI, I have started doing this other type of content once a week. And I'm gonna be honest, like, it's not the kind of stuff that I even like talking about, but that's getting a lot more engagement, which is interesting. So if you like this tech stuff and you want to see it continue, like, I would encourage you to drop likes and comments on these types of videos, because I will go where people are pushing me, and right now they're pushing me to talk about a bunch of BS that's happening in the culture. And I'll do that if that's what it's going to take to regain my monetization on this channel. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and call this. I may be back a little bit later in the day, and maybe I'll be, I don't know what I'll do. But if I am back later in the day, you'll know. You'll see me later. Anyway, y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.